Good day to everybody out there in Solderland. My name is Steve. I am the CEO of Circuit Trauma. I have a mail-in service for micro soldering services. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to properly reball a chip using these outdated ass stencils here. Now, the community, they've actually moved on to the gold ones, but I mean, I see no problem with my my black beauties here. These are the Chun-Li black stencils, dude. Now, before we go to the microscope cam, I actually want to talk to you guys about one more thing. I know you guys are looking at it. Yeah, look how dirty that is. Look how unorganized that is. Dude, in my philosophy, in Steve's philosophy, if your workstation don't look like this, your ass ain't doing no work. Okay, so step one is you always want to have your chip horizontal. Okay, you don't ever really want to have it vertical, because unless you hold your tweezers like this, which is really weird. But if you hold your tweezers like this to hold your stencil down, then you want to have your chip horizontal. Now, to pre-ball it, put a little bit of flux. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take some 138, which is a type of solder paste, and I'm pulling it directly out of the jar. Some people dry it, not me. Everybody's got their own method. Your tweezers need to be like in the middle of where the stencil's at. Not right here, not way over here, right here in the middle. And you don't want to put a crazy amount of force down. Just put enough to hold it. So right now my temperature is 340 and 60. 340 and 60. Let's just say that we have some uneven solder balls and we don't know what to do, right? So instead of taking the stencil off and pre-balling it again, all you need to do is take another razor, number 11, and all you got to do is chop all the balls flush with the stencil. Just like this. Chop them all flush. Now after you do that, you're going to clean it. Clean it up. Reapply solder paste. Again, you're going to hit it with 340 and 60. Easy as pie. So thank you everybody out there for watching this video. If you like it, then give it thumbs up. If you don't like it, then give it thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit the bell, so you know that every time that I do upload a video that you can watch it firsthand. If you have any questions, you want me to do videos on anything specific, hit me up. We'll see what we can work out. As always, keep micro soldering. Don't give up.